Hello everyone, welcome. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the vibrant city of Makati in the Philippines. Makati is a favorite destination for travelers due to its fantastic hotels, offering luxurious accommodations and excellent service. Restaurants in Makati cater to all tastes, from traditional Filipino cuisine to a wide range of international dishes. Getting around Makati is a breeze with the abundance of taxis available, providing convenient transport to various attractions. Shopaholics rejoice. Makati is home to some of the most prestigious shopping malls in the country, offering a diverse range of high-end and affordable brands. For those seeking a bustling commercial center, Makati's central business district is the place to be, with tall skyscrapers housing major corporations. When in Makati, don't miss out on the exciting and vibrant nightlife that the city has to offer, with bars, clubs, and lounges to suit all preferences. For a dose of culture, art enthusiasts can explore the Ayala Museum, which houses various exhibits and artifacts showcasing the country's heritage. Nature lovers can take a break from the city's hustle and bustle by visiting the Ayala Triangle Gardens, a lush green oasis in the heart of Makati. Adrenaline junkies can try out indoor rock climbing at Power Up Gym, offering a thrilling experience for both beginners and experts. To relax and unwind, visitors can indulge in a spa day at one of the numerous wellness centers in Makati, offering a range of rejuvenating treatments. History buffs can visit the Nuestra Señora de Gracia Church, a centuries-old church that showcases beautiful Spanish colonial architecture. For a unique culinary experience, foodies can explore the Salcedo Saturday Market, where local vendors offer a wide array of delicious street food and fresh produce. Art enthusiasts can also visit the Pinto Art Museum, displaying contemporary Filipino art in a stunning Mediterranean-inspired setting. Outdoor enthusiasts can enjoy jogging or biking along the Ayala Triangle Gardens, a picturesque park with scenic pathways. Culture enthusiasts can explore the vibrant Filipino art scene at the Cultural Center of the Philippines, showcasing various performances and exhibits. For a taste of local cuisine, visitors can try out traditional Filipino dishes at popular restaurants like Manam, Jerry's Grill, and Mesa Filipino Moderna. Makati is also known for its vibrant street art scene, with colorful murals adorning the walls of various buildings, adding a unique artistic touch. Night owls will find no shortage of entertainment options in Makati, with numerous bars, clubs, and live music venues to choose from. Architecture enthusiasts can marvel at the stunning skyscrapers that dot Makati's skyline, showcasing modern and innovative designs. To escape the urban jungle, nature lovers can visit the La Mesa Eco Park, a peaceful sanctuary with lush greenery, perfect for picnics and outdoor activities. For history buffs, a visit to the Rizal Monument is a must, honoring the country's national hero, José Rizal. Makati is also a hub for business and entrepreneurship, making it an ideal place for networking and professional development. Food enthusiasts will be thrilled to explore the vibrant food scene in Makati, with a wide range of international cuisines and culinary innovations to savor. For relaxation and rejuvenation, visitors can book a spa treatment at one of Makati's luxury wellness centers, offering pampering experiences and top-notch services. Culture vultures can catch a show at the Pita Theater, a renowned performing arts venue showcasing local and international productions. Makati is a melting pot of cultures, making it a captivating destination for anyone interested in experiencing the diversity of the Philippines. Nature enthusiasts can go birdwatching at the Ninoy Aquino Parks and Wildlife Center, home to various species of birds and other animals. For a dose of retail therapy, shoppers can explore the Greenbelt Mall, a premier shopping destination with a wide selection of local and international brands. Architecture lovers can visit the Metropolitan Museum of Manila, showcasing a collection of art and artifacts that tell the story of the city's history. Makati is a paradise for food lovers, with its numerous food parks, offering a wide variety of culinary delights in a trendy and hip setting. Art lovers can explore the Ayala Museum's extensive collection of Philippine art, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of the country. For a unique dining experience, visitors can try out the famous Filipino boodle fight, a communal feast where guests eat with their hands, sharing various dishes piled on banana leaves. Makati is a city that never sleeps, with its vibrant nightlife scene offering a plethora of bars, clubs, and entertainment options for every taste. Nature lovers can escape the city's chaos by visiting the Makati Parks and Garden, a serene haven filled with beautiful flora and fauna. Makati is also a great base for exploring nearby attractions, such as the historic city of Intramuros and the picturesque Taal volcano. With its blend of modernity and traditional Filipino culture, Makati offers a unique and unforgettable experience to all travelers who visit. If you enjoyed this video, consider sharing it with your friends and family. Your support helps my channel grow and reach more people who may benefit from it. Thank you for watching.